How does Square Payroll work? Sign up and set up. Go to your Square dashboard, navigate to set up payroll, and enter your business info and link your bank account for payroll withdrawals. Then add your team, add W 2 employees and 1099 contractors with their names, emails, pay rates, and tax withholding info. If switching from another provider, upload your year to date payroll history, import time and tips, import time cards from Square Shifts /POS, or manually enter hours. Square also imports tips and commissions automatically if you use Square Shifts. Then run the payroll in the payroll tab, choose pay date, review hours, tips, wages, and click run payroll. Process by 8 p.m. PT for direct deposit on payday. Auto tax and payment. Square automatically calculates, files, and pays federal, state, and local taxes. Employees get an email with a link to view pay stubs. Direct deposits hit on payday. You can also use 2-day payroll or instant payments. If this helps, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.